You have likely clicked "I agree" on hundreds of legal documents without reading a single word, effectively signing away your privacy rights in seconds. Today, we're unpacking the psychological and structural trap that makes terms of service impossible to read, and why that's exactly how companies want it. You'll learn the hidden cost of our digital convenience and the surprising reason reading them wouldn't save you. The primary barrier is sheer volume. The average terms of service agreement is over 2,500 words long. If you read every contract you encountered annually, you would spend roughly 244 hours, or 6 full work weeks, doing nothing but reading legal jargon. Companies intentionally use legalese to shift liability while burying invasive data, tracking practices inside dense, unreadable paragraphs. We aren't lazy, we're simply making a rational choice to trade our time for access to tools we deem essential for modern life. Beyond the length, there's a phenomenon called the click-wrap design, which exploits our cognitive biases. By placing the agreement button where our eyes naturally land, companies create a frictionless path that nudges us toward compliance. It's a classic dark pattern of user interface design, even if you were a lawyer. You would struggle to find meaningful protection because these contracts are take-it-or-leave-it deals. You can't negotiate terms. Reading them becomes a futile exercise in frustration rather than a tool for informed consent. Here's the most counterintuitive fact: reading them might make you less safe. Research suggests that when we feel we've consented to a policy, we become less vigilant about our actual digital habits, creating a false sense of security. Why do we continue to accept these lopsided agreements? Stay tuned, because the reason lies in a concept called the privacy paradox. Ultimately, we ignore these terms because we prioritize immediate utility over abstract, long-term risks. We have traded informed consent for a consent illusion that keeps the digital economy moving at lightning speed. If you found this breakdown enlightening, hit the button and subscribe for more deep dives into the hidden systems shaping your digital life. Have you ever read a full terms of service agreement? Share your story in the comments below.